Hi everyone, my name is Rose and I'm going to share to you guys how to delete a wish list on Elfster. Because sometimes you just don't like the wish list, and here I'm going to show you right now. So on the bottom here, as you could see, there's a wish list. Oh, let me put my annotation. So down here you could see your navigation. So click on wish list with the heart. Then from there, click on the wish list that you want to delete. So this one I want to delete, holiday wish list 2023. And then on the three dots, you're going to click that and then click edit wish list. Then you just scroll a little down and you're going to click delete this wish list. And it's going to ask you if you're sure. So it says, are you sure you want to delete holiday wish list 2023? And you're like, yes. So you're going to click delete. And there you go. So there's no longer that wish list anymore. So that is the end of the tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.